The world is full of exciting green energy-saving technologies. Solar power is everywhere. Windmills are spinning megawatts, lighting and thermostats are getting smarter. So what's the problem? Insulation is outdated. Specifically, glass insulation is either dark and ineffective or very costly. Older single-pane windows are being tinted with films that block natural daylight with their somber tint, creating additional lighting expenses as a consequence. Newer windows are double and triple pane, low-E coated assemblies that will set homeowners back more than they will save. So what if we told you there was an insulation product for glass so powerful and so clear that it would make those other traditional options obsolete? Please meet Drywired's liquid NanoTint. Clear, thermal insulation that blocks 100% of UV, up to 95% of infrared, while still maintaining 90% visible light transmission. Applied like a paint, NanoTint uses nanoparticles to mitigate thermal energy transfer, making it effective in all climates, keeping you comfortable and saving on energy costs year-round. Instead of replacing your windows with triple silver low-E glass at $60 a square foot, or darkening your home with black window film, now you can save energy while keeping your house bright and insulated. The choice is clear. Choose liquid NanoTint to conserve energy.